Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Realme C67 device. Taking a screenshot without button is certainly more efficient and easier for smartphone users to do. And if you are generally take a screenshots by pressing the volume down button and the power button at the same time, and then the way to take a screenshot without using button is as follows. Well, first thing first, please open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. After that, you can select accessibility option. Okay, and then in this section, you can scroll down again. After that, you can press on accessibility menu. Well, and then here you can activate by pressing this button. Okay, and then click allow here. And then here you can click on the accessibility button. And then slide to the next page. And then here you can tap on screenshot option. Okay, and then the screenshot is take place. Well, that's the tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.